This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Unlock your iPhone, open the Health app, and sign in with your Apple ID so data syncs securely. Once done, allow permissions for Apple Watch and motion sensors to capture steps, heart rate, and workouts automatically. This ensures continuous collection without manual entry. Next, set up your medical ID and emergency contacts so first responders see critical details. These choices protect you and let the app calculate accurate metrics like age-based heart rate zones and resting rate baselines. You now focus on tracking and customizing. Tap Browse to enable categories such as activity, sleep, heart, and nutrition so the app knows what to record and display. Then add data sources, pair your Apple Watch, connect third-party apps like sleep trackers or nutrition logs, and enter manual values when needed. This gives you a complete picture. Make favorite metrics and reorder dashboard cards to surface the most important graphs. Customizing ensures quick checks, reveal trends, and keeps you engaged with measurable goals and meaningful context. You wrap up by analyzing and sharing. Inspect trends and highlights to see long-term changes and weekly summaries that explain why a metric moved. This helps you adjust habits. Use the share feature to send selected metrics to a clinician or export data for a second opinion. Sharing preserves privacy while enabling collaboration. If readings stop appearing, first check health permissions and Bluetooth pairing, then force quit and update apps. If still broken, reboot the iPhone. These steps resolve most sync and sensor issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.